And so friends, this is the whole concept of the teaching on Sabbath too. Now many people misunderstood this passage because there were so strong words, those who work on Sabbath will be put to death. And so some of us will read it, how can our God be like this, but actually if you understand the scriptures carefully, God gave strict kinds of instruction, always is for our good. And I tend to share my personal experience, but sometimes I put my own family members being exposed, so I must be careful. My son just came back and he is now helping out in the veterinary hospital. And first 2 weeks he got a driving license just before he left for UK. So when he came back, I want him to get familiar with the road in Malaysia. So I sat beside him for the last 2 weeks as he drive. And when he come back, I will bring the car there. And when he's driving along, I reflect on myself, I was overly cautious. Every road I say, be careful, this motorbike lane that comes in and keep it, you must be careful, not go too close because they'll knock you from the side. And when you go through Old Klang Road especially, wow, it's dangerous, Old Klang Road. How many of you drive through Old Klang Road? Yeah, during the peak hour, left and right, people crossing, motorbike here, cars changing lanes all over. You got to have defensive driving skill. Not only a good driving skill, but defensive means to say you are going to anticipate all the people coming to knock you and try to avoid them. And so I said, decided that this week, you drive on your own, but remember that you must not go through Old Klang Road. Come through Federal Highway, even though it's all the peak of the jam. Come through Federal Highway. That's a father, because you love your child. You don't want to, you try to protect your child. And so the same thing, when God loves us very much, He wants to protect us. He doesn't want us to mess up ourselves, and then end up somewhere else that He intended for us in heaven, but we end up somewhere else. And so sometimes this strict sort of instruction is given for that matters, or end up destroying our health. When we pursue wealth and spend our health, we wasted ourselves. Men are very funny, when you're young, you pursue wealth with your health. And then when you're old, you try to pursue health with your wealth. You come to nothing. You save all you have, then you lost your health, then you spend all you have on your health. That is the humor of being sometimes not understanding what God is doing in our life. And so this whole concept of Sabbath is related to this name, Jehovah Mekudishkem, which is God.